In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to check whether your WhatsApp is linked to another device or not. So you can actually ensure whether you've been hacked or not and ensure that your privacy is actually here, the very first priority or the top priority on your mobile device. Now, please note that this works on both iPhone devices as well as Android devices, regardless of the device that you do have. If you have an iPhone like me, or if you do have a different iPhone, the process is exactly the same. And I'm going to show you how to get rid of that in this video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now here we go. The very first thing in here to check whether your device is linked to another device and whether someone is spying you or receiving your messages is to hop into WhatsApp real quick in here as the very first step. Now next up, you're gonna hop into settings real quick in here, and then you want to tap here on linked devices. You do have an option in here which says linked devices. On Android phone as well, just tap on linked devices and you'll be able to see in here all devices which are linked to your specific WhatsApp account. As you can see, I do have a macOS session in here, which is nothing but a MacBook which was linked to my iPhone device in here using WhatsApp web or WhatsApp application. And then we do have the last date, which was the date where the device was linked to my account. Now if you tap on it, you'll be able to see in here logging out in 2 days, a few information in here, name of the device, activity, the location, as well as the platform in here. If you wish to remove the device, you simply need to tap here on logout and then confirm, tap on logout, and your phone will in just a few seconds log out from any device which was linked to your device. You'll be able to see a list here if you have multiple devices linked to your WhatsApp. This may be, for example, if you are working at the office and you have a specific WhatsApp which is a business account and you have multiple workers within your company, you can track everyone who's accessing your specific WhatsApp and you can check the chat conversation as well. Now, if you wish to also link a device on purpose, you can tap on link device and then simply position the scanner in here on another device where you do have the option to link the device. Right now, if you want to take things to the next level, if you want to make sure that nobody is going to get into your WhatsApp, you can scroll down in here all the way to account. Okay, so you want to tap into account and then you want to tap on two-step verification and then you want to tap on turn on. Okay, so in case you turn on two-step verification, what will happen is you'll need to set up a PIN. I already have it set it up for security reasons, but in your case, if you don't have it set up, you'll have your turn on and set PIN, so nobody can actually link your device. In order for them to link, they'll have to actually know that specific two-factor verification OTP in order to verify the code and link the device. So this is how you can actually check if you have linked devices and you can actually secure your phone further. That's it for today, guys. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.